What's up guys, it's Connor with 4Runner Lifestyle and I'm going to show you the AJT Design climate and radio knobs. So these are available in a bunch of different colors as you can see. Over here we've got black, white, quicksand, red, cement, as well as voodoo blue. These climate knobs work with almost all 4Runners from 2010 to the current model year, which is 2022 right now. And then the radio knobs, we have them for the 2010 to the 2019 4Runner, as well as the ones for the 2020 and up. I feel like they are a lot more robust than the OEM ones and have a more tactile feel to them, as well as giving your interior a little bit more of a tactical feel. It's kind of interesting because some colors are available for some years and some aren't. So the climate knobs are available for all model years of the 5th Gen 4Runner. But then this army green, this one is only available in the radio knob for the 2020 to present 4Runner. And then there are not any radio knobs for the quicksand for any year. And then there is no white 2020 to current radio knobs. There's only the radio knobs for the 2010 to 2019. So we're gonna show you all the colors and all the options, and then we're going to show you how to install them on your 4Runner. To be installing the white ones on my car. So the radio knobs are done, those are good to go. You don't need to do anything with those. But for these, we're going to be screwing into these holes with the provided hardware, as well as the Allen wrench that is included. It is important to note that you should not over tighten these. This is just plastic, so just get it in there a little bit snug and you're good to go. Okay, so we're going to start off with the climate knobs. So it is super easy. You just grab this, pull it off, and then you're going to slide out this indicator right there, slide it into your new climate knob, and then you're just going to look for that little spot right there and just kind of line that up, and it pops right back into place. We're going to do the same thing over here on the right side. Just pull it out, slide that out, and then you're going to take the other one, and then on this middle one, you're going to pull it out, set this AC part aside because we're going to need that. Then we're going to put this in here, and this slides back on, and then AC will go right back in as well. Those are good to go. And then the radio knobs, super simple as well. Just gonna pull that out, and then you can see that little notch up top. You're just going to line it up with this. Push in, and that's good to go. Same thing over here. Just gonna move that notch to the top. You can see that, you can see right there. Same thing. Just pushes in, and that's good to go. If you are interested in purchasing a set of these, we have a link in our description that takes you right to the product. We always have these in stock with fast shipping.